Uninstall Firefox from Snap packages in Linux. In this video, I'll guide you through how to completely remove Firefox from Snap packages. Firstly, let's check whether Firefox is installed in Snap Store or not.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only.
To do this, simply type the following command in the terminal and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds and click on Installed. Scroll down to locate the Firefox in the list of installed Snap packages. Click on Firefox. If Firefox is not installed in your device, you will still see an option to uninstall Firefox from Snap Store. Click on Uninstall. Enter the password and hit enter to uninstall the Firefox from Snap packages. After that, close the Snap Store prompt and move over to the terminal. Enter the command to verify if Firefox has been uninstalled or not. We are still able to open the Firefox through the terminal. That indicates Firefox is still installed in the Snap packages. Please ignore the errors. We will talk about these in upcoming videos. Now I'll try to uninstall Firefox using terminal. Type the command and enter the password to authenticate and hit enter. This process may take some time. You might come across an error which is in front of you, and this is the reason we're not able to uninstall the Firefox from our device. Remove data for Snap Firefox read-only file system. This error is common in Ubuntu 22.4. To check the list of mounted read-only file system in Linux, you can use the following command. Once you input this, you'll be able to see the output as shown on the screen. You can clearly see that there is a directory or a file from Firefox which is listed under mounted as an ext4 file system, which is read-only. To remove this file from the read-only file system, enter the following command and hit enter. Now type the command to remove or uninstall Firefox from Snap packages. The uninstallation command should work now. Congratulations. If you are still facing some errors, you can use alternative commands shown on the screen. Let's verify whether Firefox is still installed in Snap packages or not. If you receive no such file or directory message, that indicates the Firefox has been successfully uninstalled from your device. This was it for the day. If you found this video helpful, please consider to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EFX TV. Take care of yours. Have a wonderful day ahead.